Hello there, my dear friends. A few days ago when I made my unboxing of my new Ultrabook, I promised that we make the SSD update together. So, promise is promise. Are you ready for the workbench? The book is here. The SSD drive is also here. What I need is a guitar pick and a screwdriver. And I think this will be enough. Let's start right now. As this is a new laptop, we should put a fresh foam to keep the surface intact. I'm a design man. I don't love scratches. So let's get the SSD drive. This is very small, but really powerful. Okay, put it beside. And then we start opening this holy book. The screws are here. We have to remove the feet. Okay, one. Second one. Third one. And the last one. This was easy. So now let's look what screws we have. Tiny screws. I think this will work. A magnet would be good. I think I will get a magnet. First loosen the screws. Let me get a magnet. I have a very small, yes, but strong magnet. This is good. This is easy. Wonderful. Whoop. The screws pop to the magnet. This is super easy. So now comes the dangerous part. This guitar pick had never dreamed to open a laptop. I think we'll get a little loosen. Soft, really soft. Can I recommend this? Probably not. Do you listen to the sound? Fresh board and already damaging. No, I don't want to damage it. I just want to improve it. Really careful. Coming closer. Okay. Why do they close everything so tight? So, I think, yes. So, I think we made the round. Finally. Oh. Let's open it. Ta-ta-ta-tee. This is the inside. Okay. Let's look. Where is... Here. I think it's here. Yes, I found it. I found it where we can put the SSD drive in. This is the slot. Here is the screw. Let me get it. Okay, loosen the screw. Making it with a magnet. and then putting it in. Very soft. Very soft. The softest ever. Okay. It's tight. Get the screw. Let's make the screwdriver a little magnetic. It's better. Yes, it works. Whoa, it's done. We installed the new 2 terabyte SSD, a very fast SSD. But before I close this, let's make a test. Let's make a test. Otherwise, I have to open it again. No, today not. Okay. Hope nothing is broken. Ah, it turns on automatically. This is good. It is a little longer than normal. Probably he recognized that he has a new brain. Aha, he recognized this new disk. It should be initialized. So let's do it. Now we have the option using GPD or MBR. As it is 2 terabyte, we have to use GPD. And we are online. No errors. Seems good. Formatting. I think we are ready. Let's make a reboot. Reboot is always good. And then we can close the computer. I feel much better when it's closed again. But everything went fine. Oh, this was creating sweat. Inner sweat, mental sweat. We never know when we open a machine like this. What is not yet closed. Okay. Wonderful. Wonderful. Properties. All is fine. Ready to receive the data. All the future videos that will be produced with this Ultrabook. Okay. I can close it. Good. Okay. Once again, I made it like this. Let's make it the same way. Is there something interesting? I don't have my look so often. Okay. It's time to close it again. Okay. This is easy. Opening was not easy. There was something in the middle. Let's make another round. Good that I made another round. So now it's time to get the screws in. Let's make the screwdriver a little magnetic. Yes. Number one. Closing is easy. These screws are so tiny. When it once falls to the ground, I think we will never find it. Okay. And the last one. Okay. Now these small rubber feet. Okay. And we are done. Ta-ta-ta. Thank you for watching. Now you know how to do it. But do I recommend? Okay, we can do it. We have to do it really carefully. Really carefully. Not to. We can break something easily. But I made it. This means you can also make it. Let's make another test just to see whether it's still working. Double check. Double check. Yes. Everything's fine. Everything's there. As always. Yes. C and D is empty for all the videos that will be produced for you. Thank you very much for watching. And we'll meet us in one of my other videos.